So hello friends, today we are going to visualize physics with the help of a question, that is, there is a rigid body and there is non-rotational frame, and this is a rigid body. Okay, and we are seeing this rigid body from this non-inertial frame, and it is also non-inertial. That means it has some acceleration. That means uh, velocity is varying with time. Okay, so uh, in question it is given that if we are seeing this rigid body from this non-inertial non-rotational frame, this body is seen in equilibrium. That means it is in both translational equilibrium and rotational equilibrium. The question says that how will it be seen when we will see this rigid body from inertial frame. So let's friends, suppose this is a inertial frame and we are seeing this rigid body from this frame. So if we will see what cases we will see. So before discussing about this inertial frame, we have to discuss about this frame in detail. So if we will see about this, if we will talk about this frame, we will have two cases, that is whether rigid body is kept in this frame or the rigid body is moving with same acceleration and in same direction. That means acceleration vector of rigid body is equals to acceleration vector of non-rotational non-inertial frame. So it will be possible. That means if it will happen, then we will able to say that it is in complete equilibrium. That means this is in rotational as well as translational equilibrium. So let's come to this part. So then there is inertial frame. So if we will see this rigid body from this inertial frame, it will be seen in translational equilibrium. Translational equilibrium, that means what do you know about translational equilibrium? Translational equilibrium means net external force should be equals to 0, and it is not in translational equilibrium. Let's check why this is not in translational equilibrium. That means it has some force. That means non-translational equilibrium. That means net external force should not be equals to 0. So suppose this is the block, that means no rigid body, and its mass is m. Then from downward direction there will be mg force, and let the direction of non-inertial frame acceleration direction is there. It means the pseudo force will be applied there, mass of the block into acceleration of non-inertial frame. That means there will be some resultant to this side. That means it has some force. So it is not in translational equilibrium. Okay, so friends, now let talk about the rotational equilibrium of this frame, of this rigid body, when we will see by this inertial frame. This inertial frame, if you will see this rigid body from this inertial frame. So let's make inertial frame, and this is a rigid body. And in the question it was given that the non-inertial frame was also non-rotational frame. So if we consider the case of object in which the object is kept in the non-inertial frame, then it will also non-rotating. And if we'll consider the case when this block has same acceleration as that of this non-inertial frame, that means also acceleration vector will be same. So it will be in rotational equilibrium. So let's visualize this. Suppose a case is there that this is the non-inertial frame. We are taking a point particle as non-inertial frame, and it is moving in this direction. Likewise, parallel to this path, the rigid body is also moving with same acceleration. Then when this from this inertial frame, non-inertial frame, if we will see this object, it will be seen in equilibrium. So from, let's suppose there is inertial frame and there is rigid body. If this is also going in this path and this is also going, and if we will see this rigid body from this frame, we will see that the body is in rotational equilibrium but not in translational equilibrium. Thanks.